have a quick look at the Brita small 6-cup capacity water filter pitcher, and comes with a comfortable handle. It includes basic Brita filter that lasts up to 2 months. This actually is tall and skinny, so it saves space on the sides. So when you slide it into the fridge, left or right, it saves room. Versus the 6-cup on this one, also by Brita, same size in cups, which is 6 cups, but it's a little wider and shorter. So if you compare the two, you see the difference. You can see the difference in height. So the red Brita, you hold the button for 5 seconds after replacing the basic filter. The white Brita water dispenser can carry both the regular filter and also the elite filter. This is considered the space saver. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.